5 key terms in artificial intelligence: GPT-3, AlphaFold, TensorFlow, PyTorch, and reinforcement learning. 1. GPT-3. OpenAI's GPT-3 is one of the most powerful AI language models developed to date, capable of natural language processing, text generation, and answering complex questions. 2. DeepMind AlphaFold. AlphaFold is an AI program developed by DeepMind that can predict the structure of proteins, which could help accelerate the development of new drugs and treatments for diseases. 3. TensorFlow. TensorFlow is an open-source machine learning framework developed by Google that can be used to develop and train neural networks. 4. PyTorch. PyTorch is another open-source machine learning framework that is known for its ease of use and flexibility. 5. Reinforcement learning. Reinforcement learning is a type of machine learning that involves training agents to make decisions based on feedback from their environment, and it has applications in robotics and game development. Was this helpful? Follow me.